Hello, you're welcome again to this channel. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can make 200,000 every month from what is known as car humidifier. How you can make 200,000 every month from car humidifier. Car humidifier is air freshener that is being used inside a car and is very effective. How can you get these products? You come to 1688.com. As you can see it on my screen, 1688.com. Then from 1688.com, you can actually search for car, just typing car humidifier. Then you search. Let me pick English because we are making use of English here. So we have different products of car humidifier. We have series of products under car humidifier. Now, but we can pick any of these. You can actually pick any of these products and we check through. I think it's loading presently. My network. Yeah, it's picking up now. We are talking about car humidifier. How you can make 200,000 every month selling car humidifier. This product you can buy it from 1688.com and sell on Jumia platform. You don't need to have a shop. You don't need to go on the street to sell. We just buy from 1688 at a very cheaper rate and sell online on different e-commerce platforms like Jumia, Konga, and the likes like that. You want to check the price, the actual price of this car humidifier, and see how you can make huge money every month selling these very products. It's coming up now. .com. It's coming up. Buying and selling of car humidifier. Yes, thank God it has come up. So this is a car humidifier. You can see how it is. This how once you press it, this how it will come out. It's not fire. It's car humidifier. How much is this car humidifier? It's 10 yen. That's China yen. Now, if you convert 10 and then one Chinese currency to Nigerian naira is about 55 naira. It's about 55 naira. So that means one of these products will cost you about 550 naira. Now let's say with importation cost and the likes, it costs you 1,000 naira. These products can actually be sold for 5,000 naira. That means you are making almost 400% on the cost of buying these products. So you can actually go to Jumia platform to set up Jumia platform to set up. So you can see now that Nigerian money to Chinese yuan is about 55 naira. You can go to Jumia to sell these very products. Funniest thing is you can in almost all African country, Jumia is available in almost all African country. So you can actually sell these products on Jumia site. You just enlist your product on Jumia site, and this is very new. You can take up and be the leading person selling these products. So you can add a product on Jumia platform or other e-commerce platform, and you can even sell to some people you know that owns that own a car. So it's a very good opportunity that you can tap from. Till I come your way next time and bring another opportunity, continue to improve yourself and make the world a better place. You can also help us to subscribe so that you can get other business and investment opportunities as we drop them on our channel. Thank you.